Welcome to Monster Review, where we take a look at tech tips, and how-to videos. Today's exciting day. Very exciting day. Today we finally have the product. And if you're wondering what product we have, I think you already know by just looking at the title for this video. So in this box, we finally have the Google Home Hub. So you can see that it's not that big. It's it has a decent size to it. It displays a 7-inch touchscreen display. You got voice match, multi-room audio, Bluetooth 5, works with Android and iOS, and 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. That's pretty cool. I'm definitely going to put this on my 5 gigahertz band. Command your day, play your favorite songs, simplify your smart home, relive your memories, answers for any moments, and make hands-free calls. So enough admiring the box. Let's open it up. So now this Google Home is essentially a kind of decked out Chromecast with the built-in screen. That's pretty much what it is. It's based off of the same platform that the Chromecast is built off of. The Lenovo Smart Display, however, is based off of another platform. Can't remember the name, but if I'm able to recall it, I'll put it up on the screen here. But that's the platform that Lenovo is based on, and the platform that the Google Home Hub is based off of is the Chromecast. Now some will say because it's based off the Chromecast, that's what makes this $150 versus like $220 or $250 from the other smart display. Alright, so let's open it up here. And there you go, that's the display. Wow, it's small, very, very small. I'm guessing when you see 7-inch, you don't really realize how small it is until you actually look at it. No idea why I'm surprised. I guess like, when they showed everything on the projector for the Made by Google events, it looked a lot bigger. It's actually pretty small. And I had no idea I got the pink one. The wife is going to be pleased, but I thought the sand was like, a soft beige. This is more of a soft pink. But yeah, so I mean, it looks like a tablet that's been glued onto a Beats Pill Bluetooth speaker. I guess that's the best way to sum it up. It can't move up and down. It's pretty much stuck in this position right here. But we do got the light bar up here. We have the mics up here. The speaker is obviously this thing right here. Nice rubber pad to keep it in place. It's got a pretty good weight to it. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. So like, accidentally bump. It's not going to push it over. But we have the mute mic here. This is where the power plug goes. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's see what else is in the box here. Let's get started. Be safe. So all you got to do is just plug it in, connect the power adapter to your Google Home Hub, get the app. Don't worry, we'll go through that. Alright, so here is the plug. That's pretty fancy. Sorry about that, my AC just kicked on. Okay, so here it is. Let's see, what can I do to prop this up so you can view this screen properly, because you can't really see it like that. Gotta leave room for my phone. Alright, let's power it up. There you go. Oh shoot. Okay, so it's telling me to get the app, so I already have the app. Okay, so you can see I already found the device. Let's go ahead and select that. Would you like to set up Google Home Hub 5448? Yes. Your phone or tablet may disconnect from Wi-Fi during setup. Okay. So now I'm getting a F5R3 on the Home Hub. Okay. See the code on your display. Yes, that is the code I see on my display. Would you like to improve Google Home Hub or help? Sure, why not? So now we're getting some connection going on here, and sure enough, it did connect. So now it's updating. Oh boy, it's gonna take a while. Here's a few things you need to know before using your Google Home Hub. Yada 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 yada. Oh, that's pretty fast. 79% already. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. Yes, we wanted to recognize my voice and we wanted to recognize my wife's voice, so yes. Okay, so here it's saying choose an ambient mode. So you can basically, you can have the thing, the Home Hub double as like, you know, a fancy photo frame by getting your photos from Google Photos, which they've shown you in the Made for Google event. Then you can do art gallery, that's curated images and artwork from the web. And then you have full screen clock. You'll have your choice of clock faces. For now, let's do full screen clock. And let's see, which one do I like more? Okay, ambient EQ light sensor. This automatically adjusts the screen brightness to blend in with the room. And nope, it's not a camera. The mic mute switch is on the back. Yes, we knew that. Volume control, that I overlooked. So there is, oh, this right here is a volume control. How I overlooked that, I will never know. All right, so that's a volume control and the display is ready. Everything is complete on the Home app. So to finish setup.
Welcome to your Google Home Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in.
Hi, how can I help?
So you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out.
And there you go. That's my home page, my home screen, I guess. Ambient EQ, this is the clock that I set up. That's my home screen. So when I swipe up, you got my lights. You can select the lights that you want. Your master bedroom. It's a master bedroom light. Turn it off, turn it on, set a brightness if it's a dimmable light. So over here in media, it pulls up all your devices that can be shared or linked with the Home Hub. Off the bat, there's already something funky going on here. Everything is duplicated, like the bedroom TV and the bedroom speaker and the boys' room speaker and the guest room speaker. They're all duplicated. I don't know what's up with that. I know they're all set up correctly, so that's not the issue. It might be the home app that's acting up like that. Okay, swipe up, we can go into view rooms. We got the kitchen, we got living room, we got the master bedroom, we have the office, and then you have broadcast message.
What's the message?
This review is almost done.
Got it. Broadcasting now.
This review is almost done.
I didn't do a full test, I just messed around with it a bit, but for, you know, so far it's actually a really good kitchen device, a really good kitchen companion. In the room, you know, it'd be cool in the room, but it's very useful in the kitchen. So you can do your normal commands like, hey Google, set kitchen light to 50%.
Sure, setting the kitchen light brightness to 50%.
And then you got a nice little dial so you can reach over and then you can change it yourself. Put that back on too. And you can turn it off. And then you can turn it on. And then you can ask for the weather. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
In Jacksonville tomorrow, there'll be thunderstorms with a high of 83 and a low of 61.
Plays a little bit of thunder in the background. I don't know if you heard that. And then you can like scroll, and then there's quick snippets that you can select. That's that one.
In Jacksonville tomorrow, there'll be thunderstorms with a high of 83 and a low of 61. Saturday, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 74 and a low of 54. Sunday, it'll be sunny with a high of 75 and a low of 58.
Then you can do your weird stuff like, hey Google, show me a picture of a cat.
Here are some pictures that match.
Hey Google, play Monster Review on YouTube.
Okay, here's Monster Review on YouTube.
My channel here. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Monster Review, where we take a look at tech tips and how-to video. And then of course, what makes this a great kitchen companion is the recipes. Hey Google, Show me a recipe for chewy chocolate chip cookies.
Here are some recipes I found.
You can see this is everything that you need. And then when you're ready to start cooking, just hit start cooking.
Before we start, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Let me know when you're done. There's 7 steps. I'll read them one by one. When you're ready to hear more, you can say, next step. First step, cream together the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar until smooth.
Hey Google, stop. And then you can do other features like broadcast message. Hey Google, broadcast good morning.
Got it. Broadcasting now. Morning. Time to rise and shine.
Overall, the Google Home Hub is actually a very impressive piece of hardware. The one thing that surprises me the most, or the one thing that I like the most about this thing, is it has to be the screen. And I'm not the only one that raves about the screen. There's a lot of tech reviewers out there that say this screen is just amazing, and when I read those reviews I was like, come on man, how good can a screen be? But this screen is really good. I don't know if you can't really see it on the phone, you can't really see it through the video, but I mean, I'm looking at the screen and I can tell you that it doesn't look like a digital picture that I'm seeing. It actually looks like an actual photo I'm viewing. That was the direction Google was going for. They wanted, they wanted this thing to stand out as a picture frame when it was sleeping. And like I said, it does a really good job displaying pictures. They look really good. Like the pictures look like they're really there. And I'm pretty sure it's the ambient sensor on the top that's adjusting, the colors and the saturations of each picture so it shows better. But yeah, I'm very impressed with the quality of the screen. You get an amazing picture frame, digital picture frame for $150, and you don't just get any picture frame, you get a very smart, intelligent picture frame that can go through your pictures on Google Photos automatically and automatically select the best pictures and automatically select pictures of the people you choose. So that's pretty cool. And then with those features, you get the Google Assistant, being able to control your smart home, dropping in on Nest video cameras, things like that. Now there is some sad news or bad news. This thing, the Google Home Hub, does not work with Ring doorbell. If you want your smart display to work with the Ring doorbell, that's done intentionally on Amazon's part. They basically want you to get an Echo Show to get that feature. However, if you have the Nest doorbell, then you can drop in on the video feed for the Nest doorbell whenever you want, because Nest is owned by Google. So basically you'll be able to do what they showed at the Made by Google event. Wise doesn't work with the Google Home Hub either. There's rumors that Wise is currently working on support for Google Assistant, so we'll have to wait and see. And apart from the really good display, you do get some decent sounding speakers with this Google Home Hub. The speakers, they sound really good. They have enough bass to them and they have enough treble. There's also option to increase the bass and increase the treble if you don't like the way it sounds. So, and that does it for the Google Home Hub review and unboxing. Like I said, this thing is impressive. I like it a lot. However, the Home app that you need to configure this, they redid it and it's still clunky. It's like navigating a maze. Takes forever to find devices, takes forever to find your voice match. It's just, I don't even have a suggestions on how to fix it. All I know is that, when you go into the Alexa app, it is not that cluttered. The Home app is just so cluttered, it's easy to get lost. But apart from the Home app, this device, with the nice display, the decent sounding speakers, and the inclusion of the Google Assistant, this thing is definitely a winner, and it's definitely something that I could recommend for $150. Would I recommend it over the Echo Show? Yeah, I actually would. Granted, I don't have an Echo Show to review to compare it to, especially the new one. So to make a fair comparison, I would definitely have to get my hands on one of those. But in terms of price, like if you're looking for the cheaper option, the Google Home Hub is not second best. It's actually a really good product for the price. That does it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give me thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down work also. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.